Good day students, how are you? I hope you are fine in your houses. Myself, Mrs. Jamuna Chodia, the teacher of Standard 2nd. Today, we are going to read a story from the Rapid Reader book, lesson number 8, page number 22, The Sneeze. Do you know children what sneeze means? Sneeze means chinkna in Hindi or chinkne in Marathi. And why do we sneeze children? We sneeze because if there is an irritation in our nose or some dust enters our nostrils, and also when we have a severe cold. Some people sneeze loudly and some people sneeze softly, making a noise like achoo. So, students, today we are going to read and understand how a sudden sneeze helped the little pigs to save their lives from the hungry fox. Before reading, we will see the sight words of this story. You two have to read after me. The first one is sneeze. S-N-E-E-Z-E, sneeze. The second one is search. S-E-A-R-C-H, search. The third one is roamed. R-O-A-M-E-D, roamed. The fourth one is wooden. W-O-O-D-E-N, wooden. The fifth one is sniff. S-N-I-F-F, sniff. The sixth one is cracks. C-R-A-C-K-S, cracks. The seventh one is silent. S-I-L-E-N-T, silent. The eighth one is terrible. T-E-R-R-I-B-L-E, terrible. The ninth one is scared. S-C-A-R-E-D, scared. The 10th one is thorns. T-H-O-R-N-S, thorns. The 11th one is sign. S-I-G-N, sign. The 12th one is fearful. F-E-A-R-F-U-L, fearful. The 13th one is relief. R-E-L-I-E-F, relief. The 14th one is horrible. H-O-R-R-I-B-L-E, horrible. And the 15th one is beast. P-E-A-S-T, beast. So, children, we will read it again. The first one is sneeze. The second one is search. The third one is roamed. The fourth one is wooden. The fifth one is sniff. The sixth one is cracks. The seventh one is silent. The eighth one is terrible. The ninth one is scared. The 10th one is thorns. The 11th one is sign. The 12th one is fearful. The 13th one is relief. The 14th one is horrible. And the 15th one is beast. So children, you have to revise these words and write 3 times in your Rapid Reader notebook. So we will start reading. Lesson number 8, The Sneeze. Once a fox who was very hungry went in search of food. He roamed in the forest but could not find anything to eat. So, one day a fox was very hungry. So, he went in search of food. He roamed. He roamed means he moved from place to place in the forest in search of food. But he could not find any food to eat. When evening came, the fox did not know what to do. He walked on and on till he came to a field. He saw a wooden box kept under a tree. In the field, there were 3 little pigs inside the box. So, after walking, he came to a field in the evening, and there he saw a box under a tree, and in the box there were 3 little pigs. The fox came forward towards the box. He began to sniff at it. His ears pricked up. So, when he saw the box, he came forward to the box and he began to sniff. Sniff means make sound through nose to detect some smell. And pricked means to prick the ears means to lift the ears up. So children, we will read it again. Once a fox who was very hungry went in search of food. He roamed in the forest but could not find anything to eat. When evening came, the fox did not know what to do. He walked on and on till he came to a field. He saw a wooden box kept under a tree in the field. There were 3 little pigs inside the box. The fox came forward towards the box. He began to sniff at it. His ears pricked up. So, children, we will read the next paragraph now. See, in this picture, you can see the fox came to the field and saw a box under the tree, and this box had 3 little pigs inside it. The box had a few cracks in it. Cracks mean little split in it. The pigs saw the fox through these cracks. They kept themselves very quiet and still. No one moved at all. So, the box had cracks in it, and the pigs saw the fox coming forward through these cracks. So, they got afraid and all kept quiet and still and did not move at all, because they knew if they make noise, the fox would come to know what is inside the box, and he would have eaten them up. Then all of a sudden, one little pig gave a loud sneeze. Achoo! It said. It was a terrible sneeze. All were quiet, but all of a sudden, a little pig gave a loud sneeze, or he sneezed loudly, and he made a sound achoo. It was a very terrible sneeze, or it was a very loud sneeze. The fox got very scared. He jumped so high that he fell onto a heap of thorns. So, hearing this terrible sneeze, the fox also got very frightened. And what he did, he jumped so high that he fell into the heap of thorns. So, let's read again. The box had a few cracks in it. The pigs saw the fox through these cracks. They kept themselves very quiet and still. No one moved at all. Then, all of a sudden, one little pig gave a loud sneeze. Achoo! It said. It was a terrible sneeze. The fox got very scared. He jumped so high that he fell onto a heap of thorns. Now, let's read the next paragraph. He ran as fast as he could for his life. With a big sign, the pig said, "Oh God, thank you. You saved us from that hungry fox." So, when the fox heard the big sneeze, he ran for his life, and the pigs too was relieved and thanked God to save their lives from the hungry fox. The fox was with a big sign of relief at the far end said, "Oh God, thank you. You saved me from that horrible beast." So the fox also was very frightened, and he ran, and after some time he stopped and thanked God and said that, "Thank God to save me my life from the horrible beast," because he thought the sneeze was of a horrible beast. Horrible beast means horrible creature. So we will read it again. He ran so fast as he could for his life. With a big sign, the pigs said, "Oh God, thank you. You saved us from that hungry fox." The fox, with a big sign of relief at a far end, said, "Oh God, thank you. You saved me from the horrible beast." So, I hope you must have understood this story. Now, we will see some question answers of this story. Tell me, children, who was in search of food? Yes, the fox was in search of food. Now, tell me, children, where did the fox roam to find the food? Yes, the fox roamed in the forest to find the food. Now see the third question. What did the fox see in the field? The fox saw a wooden box kept in the field. Now the fourth question. Who were in the box? There were 3 little pigs inside the box. Now see the fifth question. What did the box have? The box had a few cracks in it. Now the sixth question. What did one of the pigs do? One of the pigs gave a loud sneeze, achoo. See the seventh question. What did the fox do when he heard the terrible sneeze? The fox ran as fast as he could for his life. So I hope you must have understood these questions also. So you too have to revise and write it in your rapid reader notebook. So bye till now, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.